What's going on, guys? Faithful Cars here, and today it's gonna be kind of a different video. It's because like this car needs to be washed so bad, and I have like some little mods and stuff I'm gonna do, but it's mostly making my 4Runner better again because it's kind of like dirty and I need to drive it more often because I mean right now it's not registered, but I want to try to do some stuff in this video. So, and also please subscribe if you've been enjoying my videos. I mean, I'm still a small creator and I'm not making money yet, so just please subscribe. Anything helps, really, I guess. First, I gotta move this thing because it would be better to wash it in the sun, even though it's kind of getting cloudy again because there's spraying, but jam. All right, the car's moved finally. It's been like almost like 2 months, and then I don't know, I was doing a little bit of yard work because my dad said so, I guess, but yeah. All right, guys, so I got this blind spot marker, which I've been meaning to put on. The other one broke, which, I mean, doesn't matter because I'm only really using one mirror, I guess, but, well, and that one, but anyway, I gotta clean this first. Looks better, I guess. And if my camera quality's a little off, it's because this camera's starting to be weird, so I'm probably have to trade in for a new phone, hopefully, if I can. Alright, I think that's where my blind spot marker is. I don't know, I can adjust it later. It just like sticks on. I think it's on there pretty good. I can always take it off. It might fly off of the highway, but I mean, it's whatever. It was really cheap. It was like $2, but yeah, man, gosh, I gotta clean in here too. That's just trash, but yeah, man, I gotta start driving. Well, I gotta just register first, but yeah. All right, so I got this license plate from the Peterson Automotive Museum. It's initial deeds for this RX-7. It was like, right, the price tag's right there, but yeah, I'm gonna put it on right here, and I know that's like illegal, but I'm not even driving it. It's not even registered, so it's just gonna be there kind of for show. It's kind of cool. And then this one, my old license plate's just really old, and it's funny that this TRD thing broke off like in the middle of the desert, and like before it was my car, I just threw it away, which is stupid. I should have kept it, but just I want to see some of the information. I'm just gonna put it on there and see how it looks. It'd be kind of cool. Now to take it off, you just gotta take these plastics off with I believe they unscrew or whatever, and then you just take off the screws and then place it. So I'm just gonna do it off camera. So yeah, that actually looks way better. But why do Japanese plates look so nice? I don't know. Maybe it's because of the green and I don't know the characteristics. Anyway, I did put it on with this, well, like over it, not like on it, and it kind of looks weird because it was blocking like the numbers a little bit. So I don't know. Kind of like this look better a little bit. So yeah, I might just leave it on there for a little bit. But yeah, I mean, obviously put these caps back on, but yeah. Alright, I cleaned some of the interior out. I cleaned the dashboard and then right there, but it's mostly just these floor mats absorb so much like dirt and like fuzz because it's not like a rubber material. Like if this whole thing was a rubber kind of like this, it would be better, like WeatherTech or something like that. But I don't know. I might have to just go to O'Reilly's or something and get some. But meantime, so you've been using these for a while, so now gotta finally wash the car because it's so overdue. Like, look at this. I don't know if you can catch it on camera, but these windows are so dirty. I don't even know how I can see through them. Like, it's actually crazy. And then there's just a lot of spider webs, like usual, and some places like the roof rack. So I'm gonna get right to it. Maybe just in time. Oh, that might be a kink. Actually, what's up? I would use my pressure washer, but I just want to get this done quick. I don't want to have to like plug it all in and get out of my room. Came out pretty good. It's not perfect. I didn't use wax or anything. I just used simple green on some spots, but yeah, they really needed it. Man, you can actually see the inside pretty good. It has some tint from the factory, but yeah, turned out really good. All right, turned out really good, as you can see. But the only two things we need to do, which I don't know if I can get through this video, is we need to go to Harbor Freight and get this special glue so I can actually hold the mesh in, because right now it's kind of just sitting there, like bent in place. And then this is the other thing we need to do. We need to finally, well, not get paint for this, but get the fastener in and put the spoiler back on. So hopefully, maybe we can get that done this weekend. I don't know. Man, the speakers still sound good, even though they're stock. It's crazy. Bro, I think you play football, bro.
What do you want me, kid?
How do you do that? Alright, it's the next morning and I kind of want to just clean up the garage. It's like a mess because from doing the grill, I haven't really cleaned up, and I don't know, we've just been, I don't know, Dad's work, you know, he recently got 2 free bikes. This is one of them. He just need to put a front tire on there. Well, and a wheel. But yeah, this one's pretty good. And the other one's like a cheap Walmart BMX. But anyway, I just want to get this cleaned up, so. Yeah. Alright, pretty much got it all cleaned up. It was just mostly from the last project, which was the mesh grill, which looks fantastic. So yeah, now I'm gonna start working on the fastener. Alright, so right now I'm doing a side quest right now. Obviously this is at my mom's house. So this old dresser I had for years, it's like really cheap. It's like, I think it's like plywood or like worse than plywood. Like, I mean, it's just like, yeah, it's a party board, I believe. Yeah, up with the Sawzall and the saw, so let's get right to it. So the drawers, I actually don't have to cut them up. What I'm doing is I'm just slamming on the floor and they just fall apart because they're holded up by these like cheap staples, and like it's just like plexi wood or whatever. It's like really cheap. So I'm just gonna try to see if I can put my phone right here. It might be lagging a little bit because I need a new phone, but yeah. So this is what I'm doing pretty much. Like that. Alright, I got all of it. All the drawers destroyed, and then there's one over there. So now I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cut this up. So yeah. Hey, if you're ever cutting up furniture, be careful of the metal because it can F up the blades. So I'm gonna use the Sawzall. Alright, so I got these cuts. There's still a little cut in the middle I gotta do there, but I could probably just like smash it and then break. So yeah, because the middle is kind of hard to get because you have to be in a weird angle. So yeah. So I was recording this like right here. My damn camera gave out, so couldn't see me cutting it up, but it was super easy. And then just these just came off. I could just kick it off. So yeah, tells you how crappy this wood is and how they hold it up, which was by these like staple things. I'm gonna wrap up today's video. Right now all my stuff just looks like that. Anyway, this video is kind of cut up differently, so sorry about that. Just kind of rushed right now. Anyway, thank you guys for watching, and please subscribe.